Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us from the Ohio AgNet, the voice you know at the News You Trust studio, sponsored by BASF and Certain Corn Herbicide. Unleash residual power early to allow for pre- or post-application to attack weeds at their weakest. I'm Joe Everett. News now at ohioagnet.com. Ohio's energy sector is booming right now with projects popping up across the state from wind and solar to oil, gas, and even hydrogen. And with that growth comes opportunity for landowners, but also some big decisions. Dale Arnold with Ohio Farm Bureau Federation says the first step is understanding exactly what kind of project you'll be dealing with, whether it's electric, pipeline, or something else, and what that means for your property rights. He also stresses thinking long-term. Many of these agreements can span 30 years, so it's important to involve the whole family and have a plan in place. Bottom line, don't go at it alone. Take the time to understand details and get expert help before signing anything. To learn more, you can find this full article today at ohioagnet.com. Well, the Ohio Department of Agriculture has issued a statewide quarantine of the spotted lanternfly now in effect across Ohio. That means certain items like nursery stock and trees cannot be moved out of state without proper inspection and certification to prevent spreading the invasive pest. The spotted lanternfly, first found in Ohio back in 2020, is a serious threat to crops like grapes, hops, and apples and could impact the state's multi-billion-dollar wine industry. State officials say if you're shipping plant materials, you'll need to follow new guidelines, and businesses should work directly with ODA for certification. Bottom line, this pest isn't going away, and Ohio is stepping up efforts to slow its spread. For more information, you can find this full story today at ohioagnet.com. Now let's take a look at today's markets, brought to us by Seed Consultants. Simply better performance online at seedconsultants.com. Well, things ended up mixed today. Let's start off with March corn, 4.25 3/4, down 1.5. May corn traded down 0.5 to 4.36 1/4. And July corn, 4.44 1/2, down 1/4. As we turn to soybeans, March 11.41, up 7.5. May soybeans traded up 7 cents to 11.56. And July soybeans, 11.68, up 6.5. And July wheat, 5.74 1/2, up 14 3/4. September wheat, 5.85 3/4, up 14 1/2. Now as we look to livestock, February live cattle, 247.50, up 90 cents. April live cattle trading up 90 cents as well to 243.42. April lean hogs, 93.45, up 90 cents. May lean hogs, 97.75, up 75 cents. April feeder cattle, 367.65, down 35 cents. May feeder cattle, 363.57, down 67 cents. Have a great afternoon, everyone, and thanks for joining us. You're listening to the Ohio AgNet.